Dear students, in last video I have given you some exercises. Just pause the video and check your answers. How much you understood it? Let us continue with present perfect continuous tense. Shows an action or event that began some time ago and has continued till now and is still going on. These tense express an action which began in past and is still continuing. The structure of this tense is subject plus has been or have been plus V plus ing plus since or for showing time of action. Has been we use for singular subjects third person and have been used for plural subjects. Where we have to use since and where to for. Since is used to indicate point of time at which an action started. For example, particular date, particular year, particular days or particular month. For example, our online classes have been started since 15th of June, or our classes have been started since Monday. So, wherever we are showing particular time or point of time, then we are using since. For is used to indicate duration of time or period of time for which an action has been going on. For example, 10 years, 4 days, 3 hours, etc. Just see these examples. He has been living in this house since 2001. Or we could say, he has been living in this house for 20 years. So when we are showing particular year 2001, there we are using since. And here in second example, we are showing the duration of time 20 years. So here we use for. See the another examples. Children have been playing for 2 hours. And children have been playing since 2 o'clock. So when we use 2 hours, here we use for. And when we show the particular time 2 o'clock, there we use since. See the another example. He has been fishing for 3 hours. Or we could say 3 days. Students, how to make interrogative sentence of present perfect continuous tense? Has and have in the beginning of this structure. Making interrogative sentence of present perfect continuous tense, the structure is has or have plus subject plus been plus V1 plus ing plus since or for. See the examples. Has Sheila been traveling for 2 months? Have you been sleeping since 2 o'clock? For making negative sentences of present perfect continuous tense, the structure will be follow. Subject plus have not been or has not been plus V1 plus ing plus since or for plus time. For example, she has not been living here since 1974. Another example is, you have not been working for 2 days. So students, with this we have finished all 4 kinds of present tense. So let's have a small test. I hope you all are prepared with your notebook and pen. So note down the exercises and solve your answers. Fill it in the blanks. I will show you the answers later on.